Warm and inviting. Brushed nickel finish provides a lightly brushed warm gray metallic look. Original equipment manufacturer. Authentic Moen replacement part. Peace of mind. Designed for hassle-free installation. Genuine Moen. Authentic Moen part. To faucets that perfectly balance your water pressure, sets the standard for exceptional beauty and reliable, innovative design. Prepping for family dinners. Bathing the baby. Watering the plants. It should come as no surprise that you spend more active time in the kitchen than any other room in the house. And from finishes to innovations to installation, there are plenty of reasons why Moen is the right choice for your kitchen. From faucets and sinks to filtration systems and garbage disposals, Moen has endless products to fit seamlessly into your kitchen. And with meaningful innovations like boosted spray power with Power Boost or hands-free convenience with MotionSense, you'll love how Moen products bring not only endless style opportunities, but also in-demand functionality. Top reviews from the United States. Great, especially if you need the extra coverage. My wall has been painted around previous fixtures and I am too lazy to repair that quality work. So, I bought this and it works great in hiding the unsightly paint lines around previous circular flanges. The pressure clips hold the flange snug against the pipe and the brushed nickel finish easily matches other branded fixtures. It's a win.